Hi everyone. I wanted to do a quick tutorial for you to show you how to change or forward your D2L email to an email account that you use frequently. I know some of you don't necessarily find D2L the easiest tool to use, or sometimes you even forget to use it, and then you don't see email messages from your professors. So why not use the email that you're comfortable with and get your D2L email to go there? So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you sign in to D2L and then go up to the right-hand corner to your name and click on it, you're going to see an option called Account Settings. Click there. Now, if you haven't been in here before, I recommend you come in here and look to see what you can change, because you might change some things in here that make it a little bit easier for you to use the program itself. Okay, so I'm going to scroll back up to the top. And what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to the Email tab. When you click on this Email tab, I'm sure there are some things you might want to change. So look through all of it. But here's what becomes important. Right here where it says Forwarding Options, I put a check mark here, Forward Incoming Messages to an Alternate Email Account. And then what I did is I entered the email account that I use the most. And then you can choose, do you want to forward it and then delete it from the inbox folder of D2L? Forward it and mark it unread in the inbox of D2L? Or forward it and mark it read in the inbox folder? And you can see my choice. That's just a personal preference. The way that this works is anytime you get an email message in D2L, it will then go to your personal email. So I'm going to sneak over to my personal email and just show you. Right here you can see there's a message in D2L, and I'm just going to show you. It shows my D2L email, and then it shows the message that I received from a student in D2L. That's it. Well, make sure you click Save and Close, otherwise it won't keep your changes, right? So that's it. If you want your D2L email to come to the email you use most frequently, go to your Account Settings, click on Email, and change the forwarding options. Ta-da! I hope this has helped you. Talk to you soon.